Yes, hello. My name is Ulrich Scheller. I'm the export manager of Merkur Überseehandel GmbH from Hamburg, Germany. We are marketing our products proudly on the booth in the Solar Middle East exhibition. We have been exhibiting here last year as well, and we have found a very good market for our products meanwhile. This year's show is showing a lot of interest from more customers. And I would like to introduce to you the system of our solar air conditioners. We have two systems available, which is like, first of all, our hybrid solar system, which is a thermal solar AC. This AC system is a very economic air conditioning unit, which by means of the application of a heat conservator, which is fed by vacuum tubes to 90 degrees water temperature, allowing the unit to apply this heat in the process to transform the liquid of the coolant in the process, and thereby reducing the energy consumption of the compressor itself. So we are achieving in these units approximately 35 to 45% energy saving compared to a conventional air conditioner. And it is actually being used in a normal on-grid environment and therefore comparable to normal air conditioners. Now, as we are showing here, it is a thermal air conditioner. That means it is using inductive heat in the process, but it is consuming 230 volt alternating current electricity at a reduced rate, energy saving. In comparison to that, we are proud to present our solar air conditioners, which are working in a different principle. I mean, here we are exploiting the electrical energy, the electrical solar energy, which is fed into the system by, for example, rooftop installations. And we are very confident that in line with the rooftop initiative of the local UAE government, respectively Dubai government, we will find a strong market for our units here in Dubai. The imminent advantage is that these solar air conditioners are working on 48 volt DC and thereby can be used directly by electricity supplied from the solar panels into the system. We have also this system in two versions. We have it in an on-grid and an off-grid environment. The main difference is that the off-grid unit will be used solely in an environment which does not have a grid connection. In comparison to that, we are going to have a rollout of our inverter solar aircon in the middle of the year 2015. This air condition will incorporate an inverter into the AC unit, which will allow the consumer in the situation where he has sufficient solar power supply to operate the air conditioner from his solar power. In case that the solar power supply should not be sufficient, he will be able to switch over automatically to the 230 volt grid. There's another feature which is very important. In case the consumer is not using his air conditioner, this electricity can also be fed directly into either the grid or used for other components in the system. So it is a very, very good system to save a lot of energy. So I think we are going to have a lot of success with the system. We have installed the off-grid installation already in Dubai in some installations for almost a year. They are performing perfectly fine. And of course, we will be very happy to have a lot of inquiries from the market. In fact, this is a new product as such that we are using DC compressors inside. And these compressors are variable speed compressors, which are allowing the PCB board to always adjust the performance of the compressor to the, let's say, actually needed power. So they are very efficient and they are running on DC, which is itself a new system. And there is not that much competition around at this time. It's an innovative product, actually.
Is Is there any new trend or opportunities in the market, MENA market, that you're looking for, makes you excited, or any challenges you're currently facing?
Well, frankly speaking, the solar business in the entire MENA region is a challenge because when it comes to solar systems, we talk about system technology. It is not as such that the consumer will be able to buy a solar air conditioner and that is it. He has to have a system integrator as our company. We have our team on the ground in Dubai with our engineers. We have to go into more detail and into design to have a solution for the individual requirement. And then when it comes to other challenges, of course, the climate conditions in this area are extreme, which are putting a lot of strain on the materials and equipment. And in solar systems, often you have batteries involved, so it needs profound knowledge and system design to keep the batteries in a good environment at a good temperature. Otherwise, maybe the systems will not be performing as expected. So it needs professionals really to go into this. Frankly speaking, solar energy is abound in this area. And as long as there is some support and initiative from the government to support the business, and the Dubai government is having this rooftop initiative, which will bring about a lot of rooftop installations, which are like a main cost factor in this kind of system. If you have it, of course, our air condition will be more attractive to be implemented as you have already invested on the system overall. So we are very excitedly looking ahead to have an advantage and benefit from this initiative.
Yes, thanks for your time. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.